I'm so sorry. Ndakanza about the miscarriage. Kose usinondudzawo.
Bye. I did want to tell you, but handle pangoeka umufungi.
Shame. Next time unotaura usarondodzinyika uri wicked. Tinoda vamwe.
Thank you so much, Mbai.
Yes, my good.
This is Zviri. That's not my name, Zviri. I was just taking a walk. What can I say? Very good.
Yes, my daughter say.
Did you push on? Don't go.
Don't arrange it. Go on. I told you you're going.
No, my God. I can't go every time you wish I were.
Oh, I'm person. I should catch me. Okay, Meta, you have to go. See you once.
I'm bored and at home. She's saying, "Kupati," and the moment I send I support him.
Eh, so that is scanner.
I can't be big into large. I scarf chakai from walking as you.
Okay.
I can do casca big.
Okay, bye bye.
All right. I see, Lily, I don't get it. Why do you act like you like it? Because I do like it. Lily, Papa. And if I'm going to do the funeral. Honestly speaking, I don't see anything wrong, and I'm going to do a very issue. No, I'm going to go for much for they are better than others. My time, you should understand what you want to go. You should not expect anyone to tangarish on the she don't go to do Rashid. I'm Takasia. I say, no, forgot no one. My time. Apamunanga, she told what I'll go far away from name, she pretend saying. Of course, Cano John, and name she pretended. I mean, you see a portrait. Cannot support you. My way. Come on, go.
Vimbai. You are Vimbai. Scan.
Yes.
Okay, I'm getting. Do you know me or not this Bible?
And from Godar.
Oh. To a friend, I'm going to make time. Ye page which I child. What's that woman going to Can I tell me? That's all we run as we need to woods and as we packet people.
No, totally Rana, but maybe Anga just want to churches and go Sangana, I guess.
No. Anyway. Look at you, Sangana in the Murumo, you and the Kone. As I know we gonna go to Kuchaka.
Sunday say case angry.
Sure. No, that down a Murumo. In the I can't do the nation damn the world. Saka ndakamkumbira mukana wokuti ndikubatsire indakabvuma kuti ndikubatsire
Askana zvamushora ndizvisiye ndiregererewo zvamakataura nemurume wangu leave me out of it. I'm sorry, I have to go.
Ko zvatoshatira papi nai Vimbai.
Wimba is worried that I will leave her. And to Kuzam, and to more Nessa, I will never leave her.
Good. Because I will kill myself first, then I will kill you.
Oh.
Is that all?
No, it's not all. The witch came to my house. Yeah. Ndakatosvika akagambo tichingobva kudhina naWimbai. Kutomuona akatogara zvake pasofa kutoona TV.
So now she's mixing business and personal lives. Then Haru cross it. I'm not going anyone.
Kana paine chandinoziva muupenyu. Never mess with another man's family.
No. Well, what are we doing?
I don't know, man. Chakwanza kuzvibuda here, kunyatsobuda mazviri zvinhu izvi. Because it's starting to take a toll on me and my family, you know. Now I still have to explain to him. I have to explain to her what was that all about.
I hope she wasn't hurt.
No, she wasn't.
What's about me?
Who's that?
Should I say?
Good.
That's good.
Hey, babe.
So, right.
Yes, I'll see you inside.
Smile.
Heads up, my guy. If a woman says I'll see you inside or we need to talk, nothing good ever comes out of that.
Oh, what about if something could come out of that?
I'm 200% positive. Nothing good comes. What do you need to do?
Mamoresera andita asi mamoresera nedu aya. Sitine yedu mamoresera no chaiyo. But apa it looks like something is up. So let me go and see.
Yeah, I hope one came in no get my pot. Munishika ndaenda. Oh.
See you. Ena unona mukadzi wako.
Nyat. How many people knows about my situation? Seems like everyone in Marundra knows about my situation.
What are you talking about, Wimbai?
Babe, you know what? I'm going to share about your problems. More Rodi. What am I going to do? It's not a problem that I can.
Calm down.
Don't touch me. And don't tell me to calm down.
Calm down.
Don't touch me. But you told it. I'm going to get a child of my own. Really?
Come on. Mkazi, she's not worth fighting for like this.
Oh, is that so?
She's not worth fighting for, trust me. Mkazi wakutari endo muzivu. Ish. She's going to get patirish. Toma basa ake yai. And she's very good at it. Ukanzwa zita rinonzi geti. Isa chimutu mzewe.
Tafuma.
I would never walk around telling people about our problem. It's not your problem, it's our problem. Do you understand?
Sorry, Tafuma.
Come here. One thing.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
I told you. Nothing could ever stop me from trying to be the best husband. Now I know all the good places are closed, so I just thought our house is a beautiful place to have a candlelit dance.
What's the name about it? You only go my kids, tell you what kind of snowbirds are one candle. What's the occasion? You don't know about the drama candles, eh? You should see the look on your face right now. You don't get me about Kashibado. On a serious note, thank you for the effort you're putting in this marriage. Thank you for making me feel like the most important person in the world.
That's because you deserve it. Oh, have I told you that you look beautifully stunning? And I'm really sorry. And I want a present, and I'm so sorry. Really, I am sorry, okay?
You want a present, yet. But Anyway, I think I'll go and present.
Watch. Do you know that I have a phone that tells me time? You won't think that watch. You should have seen the look on your face. Thank you, man. Look down now, it's 2 weeks. Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. I will treasure this with all my head and heart, but mostly my head. This is beautiful. You know, my father used to tell me there are 6 important words in a marriage. 1, sorry. I'm sorry for all the pain I've caused you. I'm sorry for hurting you knowingly and unknowingly. 2, thank you. Thank you for everything you do for us. And 3, I love you so much. Now, can I please have this dance?
Now this is for the times I've been troubling you. This is for me being useless instead of helping you. This is to show you how much I love you.
I love you too. This is nice. I know that girl, but you know, I wish we could do this forever. Yes.
Sure, but I'm
Just Jerry and us.
Ndiwe wega mumoyo mangu, ndiwe wakabata hana yangu, ndiwe wakabata mufaro wangu, kuti ndikusiye moyo wangu unoramba, ngada kukutora ndinoponda nedanda, handimbofa ndakavhundutswa muhana, kuti vakutore moyo wangu unoramba, ndikuti ndinodanana, vakanga vasipo tichipfimbana, asi uno vanovhura banga, kundivhundutsira kuti tigorambana, nekuti tinodanana, vakanga vasipo tichipfimbana, nasi uno vanovhura banga, kundivhundutsira kuti tigorambana. Ukamuona achifamba munzira dali wangu, chenjera kuta nekuti magetsi. Ukamuona achifamba munzira dali wangu, chenjera kuta nekuti magetsi.
Babe. Mimbai? Yeah. Eti mbone movie ka?
Hey.
Kugara chese kunombodi also.
Last week.
This is 100.
100.
I think 100 you're not going to remind about Zvitika right now with COVID.
Okay. Where are you driving at?
What?
So, nasituna 100 here.
It's only 100.
Mkatuna sinani.
You'll be surprised with nyika zvairi so. Nogona kutena kuti 100 here.
Right. Call you. Call.
Chi?
I know. Never mind. Never mind. It's not important.
It's not important.
Yeah, it's not important. And even if I have next job, I'm going to go to Chiduka and this is what party. Yes, yeah.
Ngirian.
Who knows? Who knows?
Nekuti tinodanana, vakanga vasipo tichipfimbana, nasi uno vanovhura banga, kundivhundutsira kuti